Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the dinosaurs filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. For this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, I'm in trending section now. So here I will slide right until I see futuristics. Tap there and remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it. Okay, and this filter work with the rear camera. So shoot sky. Okay, and as you can see, these are the dinosaurs. Okay, so if you are not getting the filter like this, then what you can do, you can go to discover all and you can search for dinosaurs. Dinosaur filter. Okay, and here you will see video with this effect. Now tap on any video you want. Okay, now at the bottom left corner of the screen you will see this effect icon. You can tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can hit the record button and you can use the filter from here also. Okay, likewise. And suppose still you are not getting the filter, then what you can do, you can visit this website given the description box below. Here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on the effect icon and open it with TikTok. Open with TikTok. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button and there you go, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this dinosaurs filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.